to the show of Guinevere the Expert. Today we're going to be opening a Play-Doh egg. It's going to be really special to me, guys. It really is. And now my dad's bringing it out. It says DCTC. Instead of DCTC, it's GCTC. Now, I'm getting ready to open the egg. Okay. This says GCTC instead of DCTC because my name starts with a G. That's why my name starts with a G. Egg wants to fall over. Let me show you what it looks like, okay guys? This is what it looks like, okay guys? Now, getting started on opening the egg. First, I'm gonna take off the G. Bye-bye, G! Bye-bye, I love you, G.
Who's
Now,
DCTC?
Well, DCTC is another channel that does egg videos. But today is another time of me doing an egg video. I know you guys, I have done the other one yesterday. So, now I'm gonna get started. Woo! There's a lot of stuff in here. I know it, guys. Just know it, guys. Wow. That is a lot of stuff. Can't believe I'm opening a giant egg. Let's get all that Play-Doh over there. Go Play-Doh, go. Okay, start on this side. Okay, Play-Doh doesn't come out. Gotta get around the egg. There we go. Started. Breaking the egg.
Pause.
Now, I'm going to open the egg. Ooh, that's a lot of stuff. Mom, can you please hand me a scissors? Yes. Thank you. Like this side here. Middle. With that. Okay. Now, I'm going to get started. This is called a Vimation box. These are all the characters we get. And the one I'm hoping for is Ariel. This is heroes versus villains. This one looks like a cute character. I don't know who it's going to be. It might be Ariel, the one I'm hoping for, because it feels like Ariel. And we got Marshmallow, not the one I'm hoping for. Hey, Marshmallow. Hey, you. Hey, you. Come on, Marshmallow. Just plastic. Why do you want to stay in plastic? You don't want to come out, Marshmallow? No, you silly. Oh, he's so cold like ice. I didn't even know that. It's cold actually like ice. My mom and dad stored the Play-Doh egg in the fridge, guys. Let me put all the things here. So now I'm gonna open one of these Pals Pets blind bags. So I'm sure you guys know what I got last time. I got that cutie and that cutie. They're both cutie. Forgot the names, but I don't care. And we got a cutie! Let me see. Oh, look how cute she is. Taj. Aww. Hey, Taj. Isn't she cute, you guys? Here. You guys can see it. There you go. Get all the straps out of my video. Oh, scraps are sewn. Here, Mom. Okay, now I'm gonna open one of the heroes versus villains again. Oh, we got another guy. I feel like this is Marshmallow again. It might be like one of the Stitch and the Shark guy, but I don't know. I feel like this is a marshmallow. Nope, Captain Hook. Captain Hook is a heavy one. Look at Captain Hook, you guys. Doesn't he look so weird? I am Captain Hook. I do not like you, Peter Pan. Yeah. This is how he looks. Oh, sorry, cutie. Sorry. Now I'm opening another Pal's Pets blind bag. I hope we get a horsey this time. I've never got a horse, so I'm really hoping for a horse this time. So I'm hoping for a horse. Oh! I think we got a duplicate. Yep, we also got a duplicate. Not what I was hoping for. We got a duplicate, you guys. We have that one already. If you've seen my other video, then you know I got that. Now I'm opening that again to see if I get a different one. Mom, you can take this out of my video since.
We'll line them all up at the end, okay?
Okay.
Oh,
look.
That's so silly.
Now we have 3 of these.
What? Duplicates?
Yeah, duplicates. Oh, look at this cutie. I didn't get a duplicate this time. How cute she is. Dad, can you read her name? Let me match it up with this one.
Sundrop. That's helpful.
Sundrop? Sundrop. I need to cut her wing. Just kidding. Okay, you guys. Mom, look how cute this cutie is.
Oh.
Her name? I forgot her name.
Sundrop.
Sundrop. That's her name, Sundrop. Hi. We got our scissors for this one. Now we're doing the heroes versus villains again. I hope we don't get a duplicate of these guys. We never want duplicates to you guys. That's what the box just wants to fly away. This one's also a heavy one. Look, this is Hook again. It's Anna! Look, we finally got, look, Anna and Marshmallow. We finally got Anna and Marshmallow. Wait. Look at that. Finally got Anna and Marshmallow together. We got all heavy stuff today. So, pout, pout, pout. This cutie's name, cute. Goldie. Sundrop. And this cutie. I forgot her name, but she's so cute.
Taj.
Taj. This one's Taj. I can't believe she's so cute. Don't fall over, Taj. Anna. Marshmallow. Captain Hook. I gotta poke you with this. You've reached the end of the video. This is gonna be my big goodbye. I hope you subscribe. It's okay with me if you don't. But I love you. Bye.